Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to learn the uses of a decode function and case expression. Before you start, let's examine a problem statement. Write a SQL statement showing that last name, job ID, salary and revised salary of employees. If job ID is IT programmer, then salary increase is 10%. If job ID is store clerk, then the salary increase in 15%. If job ID is sales representative, the salary increase is 20%. For all other job roles, there is no increase in the salary. Here is a example output of this query. So this is kinds of if then else logic type problem. So the case and decode function. Two methods used to implement the conditional processing like if then else logic within a SQL statement are case expression and decode function. So let's explain the case expression. Case expression facilitates conditional inquiries by doing the work of an if then else statement. The basic syntax of a case expression in Oracle or PLSQL is case, after that expression, then write when condition 1, then result 1, after that condition 2, then result 2, and till condition n, then result n. After examine all condition, you have to write else and the result and end with end expression. So the parameters or arguments for these expressions are expressions, here marked in red color. It's optional. It is the value that you were comparing to the list of condition. Like in the example in the right side, case job ID. So job ID here is the expression. Condition 1, condition 2, condition n. The value that is compared against expression, like the value IT programmer or store clerk or sales representative should be compared against the expression job ID field. So all search value are automatically converted to the data type of the first search value before comparing. Result 1 to till result end. If the value returned, if expression is equal to search, what would be then? Here we display the salary with 10%. This is the result 1, and salary with 15%. Here is the result 2, or salary with 20% can see result 3. So solve the example problem with the case expression. So we can write the select the last name, job ID, salary, and after that we start with case. And after that the expression is job ID when, and we write our first search condition. Here is IT programmer, and after that use then, and there in result we actually multiply the 10% into salary. After that we are comparing the condition like store clerk, and after that sales representative. If all that condition are not satisfied with the expression given, then else, that means the salary no change or no increment for that employee who are not working in IT programmer, store clerk or sales representative. After that we write the keywords and after that here you saw the revised salary. This is the actually column name, and information should be come from the employees table. Now the decode function. The Oracle PLSQL decode function has the functionality of an if then else statement. The basic syntax for the decode functions are decode, after that we have to write the expression, search, result. If more search and result, we have write one after another. At last provide the default result. if not satisfied the search against expression. So expression here, the value to compare, it is automatically converted to the data type of the first search value before comparing. Here's after decode we write the job ID, so we can say job ID here is the expression, and in search here the value that compared against expression here is IT programmer or store clerk or sales representative. All these are actually in search, and after that search here is a result. In result we actually call the salary column should be multiplied into 10% if it is IT programmer. After that we write another search and result, that is store clerk should get 15% salary. After that we write the sales representative got the 20% salary. If the employee not in IT programmer, sales store clerk or sales representative job ID, then the salary don't have any change. So that are the default value. So this is the decode function, and here is the same example solved with the decode functionality. Here we like the select last name, job ID and salary columns, and after that we're using the decode functions, and the expression is job ID and IT programmer as search, and 10% into salary is the result 1, and after that we are writing another search for store clerk and the salary will be 15%. After that we are writing this for search for sales representative, if found then the salary should be 20%, and we write only salary. That means the person who not satisfy the condition of IT programmer, store clerk or sales representative, then there is no increase in their salary. And after that we are writing the column name, that is a revised salary. Here you can look at the output, there is a new column that is named revised salary, and lastly we write it is came from employees table. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please write in the comment box below. Happy learning.